Welcome to the InVideo AI tutorial. Today we'll unlock the secrets of creating stunning videos in minutes using the power of InVideo's AI. InVideo is a powerful AI-driven video creation platform. It simplifies video editing, offering pre-designed templates, an extensive media library, and AI tools to create professional videos effortlessly. Why choose InVideo? It's time-saving, easy to use, cost-effective, and delivers high-quality videos perfect for social media, marketing, presentations, and more. To get started, visit InVideo.io and sign up for a free account. Let's dive into the basics. Once you're signed in, you land on the dashboard. Here you can access pre-made templates, view your projects, and explore a vast library of stock footage, music, and more. Let's begin by selecting a template. Use the search bar to find templates tailored to your specific needs, whether it's marketing, a slideshow, or a product demo. Once you've selected your template, you can customize it to match your brand. Change text colors and fonts and drag and drop media elements right onto the timeline. InVideo's media library offers thousands of stock videos, images, and music tracks. Simply search and add the perfect elements to enhance your video. Make use of InVideo's AI tools like the script generator and automatic video adjustments, which help refine your content and create a seamless, professional looking video. To add a voiceover, click on the voiceover tab and either record directly or upload a pre-recorded file. You can also select background music and adjust the volume for the perfect balance. Add dynamic transitions and effects between your scenes to make your video more engaging. InVideo offers a wide range of options to choose from. Once you've customized your video, click on preview to see how it looks. This is a great time to make any final adjustments. Satisfied with your video? Hit the export button, choose your desired resolution, and your video will be ready to download in just a few moments. Share your creation directly from InVideo to your social media accounts via email or download it in multiple formats. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create stunning videos using InVideo's AI tools. So what are you waiting for? Start creating today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, and comment to this video if you not understand any of the step of using InVideo AI, and follow us for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.